We'll guide you through how to open YouTube Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and for whatever reason you want to access to YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, you can go and manage your channel. There you can go and view the videos you've uploaded, you can go and check streams, check comments, check who subscribed, and go and change the different settings for your channel and go and customize it as well. So there's loads of different things you can go there, so it's understandable why you want to go and get to it. So to go and get started, you need to come to youtube.com and head to the top right. If you aren't already signed in, you need to go and press on the sign in button and go and sign in with your Google and YouTube account. After you've signed in, then what you need to do is you should go to the top right and go into your profile icon. And then what you need to do is go and click on your profile icon, make sure on the right account, switch account if you're not. Then you can go down and you'll find the option for YouTube Studio. So you can go and click there. Then you'll be brought here. Alternatively, if it's strong to get here, go straight to your URL bar and you can go and type in studio.youtube.com, press enter and you'll be brought straight here. And then you can go and start navigating around. So over to the left, you can go through your content, analytics, community, language, content detection, and customize and audio library. So that's it.